Okay, on this Jeep Trailhawk, the oil filter housing, it's down off up in there. Here is the old one. And it's really not a bad job. There's 5 torque head screws. And then you got 2 sensors right here you just disconnect. The new one is a metal one here. Okay, just got new sensors. Had to go to the Dodge dealership. And these are the part numbers right there. There go the new part. So once you drop the part in, connect the radiator hose at the bottom, clip in your new sensors, and then we drop in the 5 bolts that holds it down. So now we're about to torque those down and then show you what's next. Now you drop the intake where there's 1, 2, 3, 4, well, a total of 8 8mm screws. That's next to put that on. Next step, clip in all your fuel injectors. And then don't forget your cover if you guys' cars have one. Okay, so now he just installed the top intake. And on your driver's side, right there, the black bracket here. Make sure that that lines straight off up in there. So right now he's gonna screw it down. As you see, this is your throttle body here with your sensors. And then this hose there, your sensor there. So it's all about rerouting it back together. Okay, this is the front of the intake. And right there, don't forget that nut. And then right there, that nut. So right here at the driver's side rear, that's one of your side bolts that was on the black bracket. There you go. See that bracket? See the bolt he's screwing in the back right there? And don't forget, right in there, right there, that side bolt right there. Okay, so now after screwing in that side one, your silver AC line, you got the side one that matches there. And then on the bracket right here, screw go in the back. That's your next step. Now we placed on the purge valve, which that hose here connects to the purge valve. And then the fuel line there goes to the bottom of it. Okay, the wire harness that you took off for your throttle body, we're gonna show you where everything clips in. So your first black one goes there. Then you have the holder clip go there, sensor clip there, and then you left with that last one that goes to the purge valve. Now we just put this hose connects there. Now connect your throttle body box. I don't know the name to it, so I'm gonna call it throttle bottle box, air filter duct. And then right next to that, right there, is a sensor. And then make sure your fuel line get connected to the holder there. Now your air filter tube to your box, to the air filter cleaner, and your final hose. And don't forget to tighten up your clamps. Now you finish it off by adding your top cover back on. Thank you for viewing. Hope this was able to save you guys some money. Until the next time, peace out.